What's going on, everybody? It is your boy, Precise Thoughts, and I'm back again with a NFT exhibition. I don't know what you want to call it, display. We're gonna be opening up some packs today, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that, you know how it is. You feel me? So right now I got 5 common packs. Well, let's add everything up. I got 3 in this pack because I couldn't wait and I had to open 2 of them up. So 3 plus 5, that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 16 packs to open up, guys. So I hope you guys are ready and you want to see what's going on. Now, what is an NFT? No, I'm not going to go through all that. But I have videos on what NFTs are and how to get involved in them and how to invest, or however you want to look at it, collect, because it kind of goes back and forth. Sometimes when you buy some stuff and you don't make any money, you just, you make it out to be, hey, I'm just collecting them. And in the future, you still may make a profit, but sometimes it's not about that. Sometimes it's about asset protection, not about always being greedy and thinking about how much money you can make. Go by percentages. Don't go by a dollar amount. That's gonna be your best way to scale up when you're investing on anything. But let's just jump right into it, man. Let's go to this base set. We already opened 2 packs up. We got 3 packs right here. So, see what we got, man. And turn my beat off and listen to their beat. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, we got a common dunk from Jamichael Green. All right, high cereal. 49,411. So, all right, we'll take a look at it and see what that means. And we got OG Ananobi. I like that name. Nice little dunk. I probably have 2 or 3 of these same moments already. 21,000 serial number. Let's go to the next one. Oh, a Josh Richardson block. Okay. High serial again. 58,000. So I think this was is this number 4 on season 3? Was it pack drop 4? So that's what we got. That's it, done. And let's look. It said notable pull. The low serial was 21,000. It's not really that low at all. All right, so let's open the next pack. All right, y'all ready? Let's see what we get. Hassan Whiteside block. Ooh, nice block right there. Nice block. Like the Jazz actually lost that game. All right, next one. What is going on? TJ McConnell layup. Ooth. Okay. Nice little layup. Look at the serial number, kind of high, 43,000. All right. Oh, we got a 4,000 Isaiah Stewart block. That's a nice little block there, and that's a decent serial. 4,000 out of 60,000. Okay. Let's see what they talking about. Most notable pulls, obviously the Isaiah Stewart block. All right, let's go to the next pack. This is release 3. Yeah, series 3, release 3. So all these high serial numbers in these release 3. Maybe that release 6 has some low serials in it. Maybe they were holding on to some. I don't know. A Jalen Brunson layup. Okay. Nice. Oh, 43,000. Oh, a Keldon Johnson. Hold on to this. Shout out to the hometown. Shout out to VA. Keldon Johnson's from my area. You all know. Keldon Johnson got signed to the Spurs. Great player. Josh Richardson block. I believe this is the one we just saw, isn't it? Maybe not. I don't know. I don't even remember. All right, moving on. Super high serials on that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What am I doing? I don't want to record nothing. Go back. Cancel. All right. All right, where we at? End. What did I just do? I don't know what I did. Okay, so we're done with that. Next set. So that was 3. Let's do 4. Let's go in order. This queue is not open. What was I doing? Where am I? I thought those were my packs. Give me my packs. My packs. Come on now. Packs. Here we go. All right. So let's do. Yeah, let's open this. I just didn't hit open. All right. Michael Bridges or Michael. I don't know how to pronounce. Nice little alley for the Suns too. Shout out to the Phoenix Suns. Andre Drummond dunk. Okay. Three-pointer from Danilo Gallinari. Nice. Half court, John. Behind half court. Nice. Okay. Not really too much going on there with the serial numbers or any special cards. Common pack. All right, next pack. Let's go. Oh, we got a lower serial. Gabe Vincent. Okay, nice dunk right there. Well, he came up. Look at his face. Look at the muscles in his face. Okay. That's a nice pull right there. That Gabe Vincent. 4,000. Okay. Jordan Clarkson steal. Nice. Okay. Taco Fall block. One of the tallest players in the NBA. Taco Fall. Let's go to the next pack. A Trae Young assist. I should have opened this up early. I would have had a Trae Young in my challenge. Oh, man. That's a nice behind the back assist, too. Nice. Layup. Lonnie Walker. Okay, behind the back. Okay. I see you. Oh, 37-33 on the pull on this one. Jeff Green layup. Nice. Decent little serials on that one. Where we at? Josh Richardson block. I think we just seen that. 15,000 on the serial. Oh, okay. Steph Curry. We got a Curry. Nice. Yeah, we're going to check these. We're going to put them up on sales assist and see what they say are the value of these. 45,000. That's a high pull. I got a Zubac. Ivica Zubac. Nice little behind the back joint. The big man with the soft hands. Let's go. Nice. All right. Next pack. Wow. Oh, it was 5 packs. I was tripping because I was like, I did 2 packs ago. Okay, so this is the 5th pack. All right. Oh, a Nasir Little. I don't think Nasir Little. I don't have any of him, I don't think. Okay. It's always nice to get new players too. Just because you don't think they may be I'm gonna check the value, but they might be players you never heard of or whatever. It's still cool to complete the sets and stuff, you know? Obi Toppin. I have my eye on his moments too because he's one of the best players. One of the new rookie. He was a good rookie. Blake Griffin. We got a Blake. Nice little jump shot. Okay. Blake's been developing his game for that little jump shot, little mid-range joint. Okay, so Obi Toppin will probably just be the best one on that. Lowest pull. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Where should I go? Let's just do these are challenge. Let's do the fresh threads. See what we got. Oh, we got a nice little well, that's high because there's only 4,900 made. It's a Kemba Walker though. Kemba Walker has been extremely liquid for me when I bought a lot of his moments early on, and I was able to, and people were buying them like Kemba Walker's like hotcakes. That's dope. The fresh threads. Okay. Would have been nice to get that little low serial number, but it's all good. We got the challenge reward. Let's do the WNBA 21 challenge. The women. Let's see what we got. Fandom pack. All right, let's go. Indiana Fever 2,455. So kind of a high serial for this limited run. There were 3,900 made, or almost 4,000. 39.96, almost 4,000 made. All right. Pretty cool, Tierra McCowan. So now I almost got the 2021 WNBA set. I just need 12 more. Almost got. I got 3 literally. All right, where we going? You know I'm doing that premium last, so let's get to this last base set. For the last one of the year, this one is very special. The last one of 2021. The last drop that they had, so base drop anyway. But let's see what we got. DeAndre Jordan dunk. I believe I just pulled that in another pack. Okay. High serial again. Another high serial for a Bryn Forbes. I don't believe I have any of his moments. Pretty cool, like I said, to always get new players. So I think I pretty much got a few Spurs now. Maybe I can complete that team challenge. Get all the players for the team. JaVale McGee. Definitely not Shaq and the Fool on that one. Let's go. Nice dunk. High serial again, though. All right, next pack. See what we got here. Another DeAndre Jordan dunk. High serial as well. All right. My iPad went off. Caleb Martin layup. Let's see. High serial on that. And what's this? Another dunk? Frank Jackson. Don't believe I have any of his moments. That's something new. High serial though. And let's go to the next pack. Pack number 3. Bryn Forbes again. Let's see what the handles is looking like. I didn't pay attention. Oh. Okay. Nice handles. A Josh Okogie block. Swatted. Nice. High serial again. Y'all gonna have to give me something now. This is the last pack of the year. Marcus Morris Sr. jump shot. Nice little move. 10,000 on the serial. Next pack. I got to get something out of it. Come on now. This is the last release of Series 3 in 2021. Come on, y'all. Come on. It's pack number 4. All right, what we got? Dunk. Terrence Mann. We're getting a lot of new players, which is always good. And he glided for a while on that dunk. Man, he took that in strong. All right. Steal from Devin Booker. Devin Booker. Top tier player in the NBA, of course, for the Phoenix Suns. Nice work. High serial, though. See, Nasir Little. Nice. Alrighty. Let's go to the next pack. This is pack number 5, ladies and gentlemen. Montrell. I don't know how to pronounce that. Is it Montrell Orel? I don't know. Dunk. And it's 5,000. Not bad on the serial. Valanciunas assist. Full court assist. All right. We did not get a super low serial. We didn't get a Jersey LeBron or anything like that, guys. But we're still grateful. We still added value to our portfolio by opening up these packs. Cause I'm gonna see what it looked like in a minute, for real. I'm gonna see what the value looked like. Still got one more to go. One more to go, guys. We got the premium pack with the rare. Oh, I keep doing that. Go back. What am I doing? What am I doing? All right. This could be it, guys. You guys ready for me to retire? I'm retiring early. All right, come on, y'all. Come on. Hope you get something good. We got the rare pack. We got the money pack. All right. This is it, yo. Let's see what we got. Yeah, they know. You hear the beat drop? Woo! You hear that beat? Woo! All right. All right, let's go. Number 1, we got a comment dunk from Tristan Thompson. Okay. High serial. The second one, we got a 4,000. We got an Obi Toppin. Nice little decent serial. We got a mid serial Damian Jones. We got 3-pointer Dalino Gallinari. And we got a Karis LeVert 3-pointer. All right, for this last one, I hope. That might be the, which one's the rare? That must be the last one, guys. Woo! That thing got a blue light up on it, guys. I don't know if they all did, but I'm excited. Woo, we gotta see what we got. Let's see what we got. You gotta see what we got. Okay. The suspense is killing me. Come on, y'all. What do we get? Ooh, Chris Paul, baby. Woo! We got a Chris Paul handles metallic gold limited edition number 75. Nice. Okay. I gotta check these out, guys. I gotta check these out. Let's see. Ooh, we got a Chris Paul number 75. All right, y'all. Let's look and see. Let's check out. Okay, let me go to my moments right here. In this case, if you guys make a NBA Top Shot account, you can see how to the user interface is very simple. This is my profile, Precise Thoughts here, and it shows your collector score and everything. And let's see. If you go to moments, you can go to newest received. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click it, and you hit place for sale, and then you can hit pricing helper. Okay, and you can see what it's about, what it's selling about at, right? But check this out. So this is actually a floor card, $2. But check it out. You can go, you can look via the serial number. And the lower serial numbers are going for a little bit higher. So not a lot higher, unfortunately. But they're separated by about $1 or so. But in percentage wise, that's why I say don't invest based on a dollar amount, invest based on percentage amount, because that's 30%. I think. No, it's actually 50%. 50% is pretty high. If you add $1 to $2, you added 50% of the value. Yeah. So that's why it's important to know that. But yeah, let me go on to the next one and see what's up. Let's see where we at. I can't go back, huh? Yeah, go back. Obi Toppin. Pretty sweet. Alright, how do I go back again? But look at the liquidity. They sold 2,300 of them in the last 2 weeks. So he's moving. All right, let's look at my stuff again. How I get back there? Navigating this, it's easy. All right, Gallinari. See what he had. It's probably collector score loss. Look, you will lose collector scores by selling it. I'm not trying to sell it right now. I'm just trying to see what it's worth. And what's the serial? 54,000, super high. So $2. It's worth $2. Yep. Sometimes this don't be accurate, but and on moment ranks too, it's not always 100% accurate. But I wish they did. Okay, I go back. They won't let me. Why don't they just let me go all the way back? Okay. I want to save that Chris Paul. Damian Jones. $2. Karis LeVert. All these Jones is like floor moments. See what Tristan looking like. Tristan Thompson was the first moment that I bought. And the value of that moment declined so rapidly. I think I spent like $40 on it and went to like $8. Like immediately after I bought it. I had no clue what I was doing, what I was getting into. I was regretting my decision to even get into Top Shot But the whole time, as time was going by, I was buying packs. And it was buying those packs that saved me. That made my portfolio value double within a few months. Okay, we got a little $2. All of them $2 right now. Look like I'm not mad about it. Another $2. Hassan Whiteside. Two. Want to see what that Devin Booker looked like. Probably $2 as well. 2, 3, but yeah. And I'm not even taking the time to go through the whole who sold what at what serial number. Most of my pulls for this, for these were high serial numbers, so I'm already knowing. Serial number's too high for that to be of any value. Devin Booker, let's see where we at. Look at that. Somebody has a low serial. $5. I have a high serial, so it's $2. Devin Booker. $2, man. $2. Trying to see if there any more notable players or anything. JaVale McGee, Tierra. Let's look at the women's, and let's look at that Kemba Walker and that Blake Griffin. Let's check that Steph Curry. I'm going to start skipping around because it's taking forever to just look at all of them. I don't know if they have these up. Ooh, wow, okay. My little reward. Tierra McGowan. What number I got? 2,000. They going for $16? If I had any losses, I just covered all of it right there. Wow. Okay. That's nice. That's a nice little reward there. Okay. So let's go back. Oh, that's good. Who else did I want to check? So their reward. Let's see. Kemba. Let's see what Kemba looking like. Oh, wow. Wow. Kemba looking like $40. Yeah, very limited on that 4,900 cards made. That's what's driving that, keeping that value high out there. Wow. I'm glad I checked that out. I'm happy. What? That's a reward. And I didn't even have to buy no extra moments to get this reward. Wow. That's good. Okay. I tell you get in the game and you start getting these players, and I don't really do the challenges for like to try to make money but it's good if you can complete them because you already have invested in other players and stuff. and you don't gotta really like spend like extra. I did want to check the Blake. He can be kind of liquid sometime too on here. $2. But you don't know. If you look at each one of these players, they all have moments that are worth at least in the hundreds probably. So you never know which one you might actually have. Well, I mean, they're common, so you do know, but you know you don't really have the expensive one. Because, you know, commons have a high mint count, so. Let me check the Steph out. Does he even have a $2 one? No. And this is $8. Good stuff. $7. Yeah. Why they got these on the block? Well, $2. Somebody had one up here. Oh, these are sales. I don't want to know the sale. I want to know what's going on now. Yeah, that just sold a couple days ago for $1. That's crazy. Steph Curry. They suggest me to sell it at $8. Interesting. Alright. I think that might have been it. And then we're going to go back to our rare and see what it's looking like, the value. I'm excited. So the Steph is like $8. The Tierra McGowan was up there. The Kemba Walker was up there. And then we still got our rare card. And then we know at the very least all these are worth the floor value, $2. So, yeah. And you're adding to your team challenges to complete teams with all the players and your overall challenge. Trae Young. Check him out. What does it say? $2? $1? Is that what the floor went down to? $1? Did I miss that? I got to get back on here and become more active. Checking out the marketplace in terms of that, because the floor went down to $1. Like, man, it's going down. I remember when the floor was like $5. That's a lot. I mean, you couldn't even get in the game without dropping $5 on the cheapest one. And those same one now, some of them are worth $2, $1. Did I check the Keldon? Let's check the Keldon. What they talking about with that? Nothing much. You ain't talking about nothing much. Okay, let's look at. Let's go back. I do have some for sale. Y'all can see that too. So moments. Did I check the tray? I don't think I really have anything else that's super notable. Ja Morant. Let's check him. I don't know what he talking about. $1, $2. Everything $1, $2. My new thing might be only purchasing rare and legendary packs and not purchasing nothing else. Oh man. I think that might be it with my notable pulls. That Ja Morant, I actually opened that pack up yesterday. I was happy to see a Ja Morant in there. The Gerald Wallace archive. I think these are $2-3. Let me see. Just to look and see. It is, yeah, $2-3. I do like the fact that they put actual sales and not just the actual floor at the moment, because just because something's at the floor doesn't mean it's gonna move. Or even if the floor goes up, it doesn't mean it's gonna move. Like the volume may not move proportionately. I don't think I really got no more super notable players that I pulled. Let's check the Kelly Oubre. Well, these are all fresh threads. I don't really think they're doing too much. All these packs and stuff. Let me see my stuff. Diamond to Shields. What you looking like? Okay. All right. So let me check the value. I know you guys might be waiting on this. Let me look at what my rare card that I got here. I'm excited. My Chris Paul number 75. Metallic gold LE. Let's see. $149, guys. $149. I'm so excited that the value of this card is so high. That's so great. That's so great, guys. This pack was $99. 99? No, not even. Maybe 8. I think it was either 79 or 89, something like that. Yeah. And this moment is worth $149. Wow. Number 75. That's great. That is great. I'm not even looking by serial because it might be worth more with the lower. I have a 2-digit serial, so let me see what other 2-digit serials have sold for. Let's just get an idea of what it looked like when someone sold a 2-digit Chris Paul. Number 80 sold at $204, guys. And I got number 75. 80 sold at $204. So I'm looking at least $200. I'm not trying to get rid of it for anything under $200, guys. That's what I'm looking at. Look at that, 161, $200. Yeah. Yep, 200 I'm looking at. I might list him too. But yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I mean, I'm expecting $50-$60 at least. But over $100, pretty sweet. Over $150, pretty sweet. All right. So let me go to Moment Rank. And let's refresh our portfolio. And how you do that, you can go into view all of your stuff, and it shows you all your moments, and you just hit refresh moments right here. And then that's going to sync it. It's syncing the Top Shot. And then so what we're going to do is wait until it loads. And now we've added. So my total moment value is now, remember it was like $1,700. Right now it's $2,142 after those pack openings. My goal for the year was to reach 2,000, and I did it. Today's the first day of the year. I'm excited. I reached my goal, over $2,000 in portfolio value in NFTs in less than a year. I started in March of 2020, $2,142. Now look at my spending amount, $809, guys. I didn't spend $1,000 and I made $2,000 in value, in perceived value, right? They're NFTs. You don't get the value until you actually sell them. But that's why I tell people about NBA Top Shot, because of the marketplace. The marketplace is so valuable. The way it is integrated in these other places where, you got a lot of rich people buying NFTs, is kind of difficult if you're trying to get into it, because it's kind of confusing. If you're starting out, NBA Top Shot would be a great place to easily accrue NFTs in your portfolio. And let's look at the marketplace right now just to show you guys how it looks, man. It's very easy, simple, straightforward. Look at the floor. Let's go to the floor. You can go boom, low to high, and let's see where we're at. It's going to show us the lowest ones. $2 we're sitting at. So we got $2 floor. So you can buy. Well, that's me. What am I doing? Oh no, I got so many so many moments that when you see these, it tells you that you own these. So it's interesting, right? It's funny. And I'm thinking that this is my profile, and it's just telling me how many of them I have. But no, this is the actual marketplace. Because I own 230, it's gonna be a lot. But yeah, $2 is the floor. Look at all these players you can get. You can get into NFTs for $2-3, man. You just gotta pay the little fee or whatever to add your money. Switch it over to Dapper. It's like a 5% fee. It's pretty cool. I got some other packs I want to open up. I think I'll save those. Those are going to be on the Panini platform. I got a Panini football pack. I got some UFC stuff. I can show you guys my Shaq that I bought off Eternity. And Crypto.com UFC stuff. Yeah. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to just, I'm going to leave it at that. This video's been long enough. So you guys have a great new year. It's the first day of the year. Hopefully you didn't let that be the start of you changing for the better, and hopefully you started before now. But if you haven't and you started today, just as well. But make sure you do always, every day, think about how you can make yourself at least 1% better, and be a light for someone else, and be positive for someone, and just be a good person. Y'all love everybody, and I'm out.